Give me the money, give me the loot. Bitch, before I shoot, Rob Peasy in this game, nigga, I'm gon' loot the motherfucking block. I get it, I want the bread, the money, the bread. I wanna stack it to the ceiling, the money, the bread. Get the motherfucking bread, nigga, the loot. Go, we gonna get the dough, get the money, bout to get the front door. Get the front door, get the money, bout to get the front door. Give me the dough, give me the loot before I shoot. I'm about to bust and shoot these niggas. Give me the money before I shoot. I'm give me those these niggas. Give me that dough, baby. Yeah, give me those ends. Give me the money, baby. Give me those ends. You know. Freeze, nigga. Give me that. It's Rob Peasy. Fuck off. Make you freeze to your knees, bitch. Hold the fuck up, nigga. Yeah, I'm Kickdo Burger Love. Motherfucker, yeah, you know I disrupt your breakfast. Disrupt your breakfast and get the money. Give me the loot before I shoot. Before I shoot, you know I'm about to swoop out them in the what? Niggas keep the motherfucking engine running. Keep it running. Back in this bitch, man. You know that I was gunning. Damn son of a gunner coming through with this. The other Rob Peasy, the one that make it look easy, man. You know that I'm a Kickdo Burger Love, nigga. Yeah, you know that I'm talking about everything. If not, I'm about to bust if not, shoot your girl first, so you shoot your girls first, so you can see that I ain't bullshit, nigga. Cause I'm just on the block and I won't stop. I gotta stop and I gotta get it, nigga. There's a chain around my neck, the piece in medallion, with the piece in medallion. Give me the fuck up about these niggas, man. You know I'm like, whoa, bust, man, busting on these hoe ass niggas. You know I'm different than these motherfuckers, baby. That's what I'm doing, nigga. Yeah, I'm about cheddar, I'm about my cabbage. It's gon' be gone. You know that I'ma do it. It's like revolver. The bullets stay up in the gun. No evidence, my nigga. You know that I'm not the one to be fucked with. I'm not the one to be fucked with. You know that it's a Kickdo. I'm not the one to be fucked with. Bustin' shots, nigga. Hell yeah, that's right. Bust the fucking window. Don't give a damn. You know I'm smoking on that endo. Who them niggas talking down on my fucking name? Rob Peasy, motherfucker. Yeah, the one that got game, the one that's on tame, the one that's off the chain, man. It's me. R.O.B. put a dot and then the P. That's a robbery. 211 call the laws, you little bitch ass nigga. You a whore ass cake. Nigga, I sat and deliver. I hold my balls. Pause right in front of your set. Start busting caps, nigga. Man, you know what's next. It's a motherfucking Kickdo Burger Love. Give me the drugs and money. Give me the loot. Give me the drugs and money. Before I shoot, I'm about to shoot this paper and get some more. Double it, baby. You know I'm about to blow. I got afternoons, man. I'm smoking the Grillos. Don't give a fuck. I sleep with a gun under my pillow. It's the R.O.B.Z. Yeah, I'm a G.O. Nigga talk damn, but I'm just professional. They don't want none of me. The freestyle off the dome. I don't give a fuck about them. Myself on Mirror Chrome. Got that motherfucking trunk vibrating, banging like gorillas are banging that bitch. But you know that it went from crumbs to bricks, man. I'ma just speak the truth. It's gon' hurt y'all niggas. You know it's like I knocked your tooth loose, man. Foot loose, I'm throwed in the game. I'm coming with the fucking aim, untamed and unsimple, and you know I'm popping like it was a motherfucking pimple. Jamming on that Tupac, slow by DJ Screw. No talking about nigga, it's going down in Austin, Texas. Riding around, I'm in a motherfucking Lexus. I say that I'm running the streets. Running the streets. My compadres, man, you know who it be. Northside, St. John's, niggas swinging the lack. Pistol packing in my lap, you know I'm bringing they hats. The haters love to hate on me because I'm just hate on me. Always got my name in their mouth, they bumpin' gums though. I don't need none of them. I still live life like a motherfucking hustler. I get it, baby. Yeah, I'm a muzzler with my dick when she starts to lick on it like a Kool-Aid spoon. I'm different, I'm different.